Now let's say you click on this link here where it says log into RoomSketcher. You click there and you are trying to get in and you can't remember what your password is. If it's telling you you can't log in, then you're going to click forgot your password. It's going to ask for your email address. So type in your email address. Remember, yours is stlpcs.org. stlpcs.org. So I'm going to hit reset password. And then I'm going to go check my email. So I'm going to click on the plus sign, go to Gmail. In my email, there'll be a link to reset my password. It says RoomSketcher reset password. I'm going to click on this link here. It's going to ask me for a new password. Only letters and numbers. Only letters and numbers for your password. And I'm going to hit reset password. Now I have access to my RoomSketcher account again.